Let Jah arise and all his enemies be scattered, flattered, battered, and shattered. The sun shall not smite I by day, nor the moon by night. Aye. Oh! Hey! Hey! Well, it's so bad to feel. Beware, for the shot of them strap. Rastaman, I tell the youths, them follow the Glock. Beware, now the cops start attack and them not care. Them we shot two in a yo. Beware, for the shot of them strap. Rasta tell the youths, them follow the Glock. Beware, now the cops start attack and them not care. No, well, it's a shame to see brothers killing themselves, wasting energy, should be uplifting themselves. Why is the enemy putting shots on the shelf? What we need is rain or food and mellow food for our health. So don't take out up in a petty passion. Be careful of them guns and ammunition. And let us make a change in meditation. Oh, cause we could use the strength for cultivation, my Lord. Beware, or the shot of them stop. Rasta tell the youths them thing. Oh, beware. No, they're not here. Listen to me. Hey, so much gun crime. Man a shot, man a night time. Read the headlines. Lord, it really blows my mind. School picking it targeted in the broad daylight. Them a dead for cell phone. Also, in a drive-by, police are dead too. All one a year. Them shot the sheriff and a come for the deputy. Jeez. All the women, them no partial. I make them kill Shan Gia than liquor marshal. Beware. Oh yeah. Oh. Beware. Now the cops start to talk and them no care. Oh. I said, I hope you feel alright. Oh, Sumfest. When I say good, you say over evil. Good over evil. Oh, good over evil. When I say good, you say over. The man who thinks he's larger than life, he doesn't even know how he came in existence. Ooh, the man who thinks he's larger than life, he doesn't even know how his soul surviving. He doesn't know when he came or when he'll go. No, he don't know. And he thinks he's got things figured out. Oh, the lightning striking, everybody runner. Lightning, oh, I say everybody runner. Lightning striking, thunder roaring. The man who is larger than life. Oh, yeah, he doesn't even know how he came in existence. Oh, and all your intellects in our faces. Oh, you better remember, take time out and devices. No, you don't know. When you came, or when you'll go. No, you don't know. And you think you got. Oh, hey, lightning strike. Everybody runner, lightning strike. Everybody runner, lightning striking. And ready, hey, thunder roaring. Blessed love, it's a pleasure to sing for you all. Blessed love. Greetings. And we want to remember to love yourself and to remember the farmer. Whoa. I tell you about the black side. Peppers. It got to be the hot side. Peppers. Whoa. Listen to me. All day long in the soil, with his machete in his hand, in the burning sun, he's around to make sure there's food to feed the multitude. He's a farmer, a sure provider, yeah. Now many underestimate him, they don't know. Them side the fruit reach a supermarket, know how it grow. And while the wasted days away, there never is a holiday for Mother Nature or the farmer man. You better remember the farmer today before it's too late. Or you might end up with an empty plate. With all the laws and all the claws, fight the farmer man, the nation must stop. Whoa, whoa. All the laws and all the claws, legalize the rum and fight marijuana. Everyday people eat to stand firm on their feet. So I ask the security and agriculture ministry, you better remember the farmer today before it's too late. Remember the farmer today before it's too late. Give me a soul of them around. The black style peppers, he got to be the hot style peppers. Oh yeah. Listen to me now. Remember the farmer today before it's too late. Or the youth's gonna end up with an empty plate. Or remember the farmer today before it's too late. Whoa, consider the garden, yeah. Remember your farming. I don't want to be starving, no, 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 no. Ooh, hey, Blessed love is a blessing. You feel alright? If you feel alright, say Ira. I want out of love, I love to sing, send it off, Baba cheer. All you them go to Natty Congo. Oh, this is a story I got to tell you now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And a rockers, a rockers, a rockers. Whoa, listen now. Well, he's growing his hair, left the bar chair, and the old folks saying that. He said, I'm freeing myself, simply being myself, and the ways of the world. I want to know more about my culture, about my past and about my future. Oh, live a little closer to nature. All you do is fight I down. And if you knew love I found, then you would all put on your crown and come around. Now you're going to hell. I'm afraid someone took your brain. I'm on our roots, and to tell you the truth, life has never been better since I asked it. Want you to know, I've been meditating, trying to know more about my calling. These days me and Montana doing farming. All you do is fight I down. And if you knew, then you would all put on your crown and come around. Oh, and though they fight him down, he keep on loving them. Fight him down, he keep on loving them. Fight him down, he keep on loving them. Fight him down, he he keep on loving. And though they fight him down, he keep on loving them. Fight him down, he keep on loving. Oh, 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 yeah. Blessed Lord Sumfest, it's a pleasure to sing for you all. How you doing? Send it up. Yeah, it's a pleasure. I love to sing for the item. I want you to bear with me for 1 second. I have a story to tell you now. Thank you very much. All right. You see this next one now is dedicated to all the people in the house who have children. Seeing all the mothers in the house say, Mother. All the real father, them will mind them, you would say, Father. All right, good. Well, watch you now. I'm not a guitarist, seeing? But this is just a little song I write about my daughter. Seeing? Just bear with me and listen. Listen to the words, all right? My little baby can be so rude. She likes to do things her own way. She's gonna need a baby brother soon to share the attention with the mom. May get saved. Listen to me, Sumfest. Want you to listen to me. Well, watch her now. This little baby can be so rude, and she refused to eat baby food. My little baby's giving mommy stress, and it's hard to sleep while she fights for breasts. I can't sleep, I can't sleep, I can't sleep, but I love my baby. Can't sleep, can't sleep, can't sleep, but I love my baby. Story. This little baby, listen up. This little baby don't sleep in a crib. But I remember one night she wished that she did. Listen up. There she was, toss and turning in bed. She made one wrong roll, drop off her liquor head, crying. This little baby, I can't sleep, I can't sleep. But who needs sleep when you have a little baby to love? You all right? And this one me tell my baby right now. I tell her I will stay with you, baby. Come on, a real father. Big up yourself, Jimmy Riley, Laverne Theater. Yeah. All the lovers in the house, push up your hand, don't afraid, you know. I Sumfest another last night. Free up your heart, everyone, hands in the air. Look to your loved one and sing this to them for me now. Whoa. We've been together for a while now, growing stronger every day now. It feels so good and there is no doubt. I will stay with you as each morning bring a sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. On my loving you can realize Sumfest I'm gonna stay with you. I will stay with you through the ups and the downs. I will stay with you when no one else is around. And when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side. I can't afford to let my regret slide. No, I will stay with you. Oh, though relationships get old and have the tendency to grow cold, we've got something like a miracle. I will stay with you. I will stay with you through the ups and your downs. Stay with you when no one else is around. And when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side. Yeah, I know we'll be alright. I will stay. Well, I want you to know there'll be heartache and pain. Yeah, through it all we'll remain. In this life we all know friends they come, friends they go, but through the years I know I will stay. And in the end we'll find a love so beautiful and divine. We'll be lovers for a lifetime. Hey, I will stay with you. I will stay with you through the ups and the downs. I will stay with you when no one else is around. And when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side. And I know we'll be. Take it down low. Sumfest. Hold on. Sumfest. You see how me sweat and sing for the item? You have to go sing back something for me in a Sumfest. What I say? Everybody will love somebody. Sing with me now. Sing. I will stay. Let me hear them, man. Them terrible now. Listen. I will sing from your heart if you mean it. I will let them on the ends of the earth hear it again. Sing, sing. I will. Oh, through the ups and the downs, stay with you. Good night, it's a pleasure to sing for the all. Tarrus live. Whoa, yeah, 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 yeah.
Give it up for Tarrus Riley and keep it going for the same